Hello everyone, welcome to Inside of the Point. This is Siraj and in this video we will learn about India's deep ocean mission. So now let's go in detail. Recently government has informed in the Rajya Sabha that deep ocean mission will be implemented at a total cost of rupee 4077 rupee crore for 5 years and all the component of the mission will commence in 2021. If you see about deep ocean mission, the focus of the mission will be on the deep sea mining, ocean climate change advisory services, underwater vehicles and underwater robotics related technologies. The Ministry of Earth Science will be the nodal ministry implementing this multi-institutional mission. If you see key component of the mission, so a manned submersible will be developed to carry 3 people to a depth of 6,000 meter in the ocean with a suite of scientific sensor and tools. An integrated mining system will be developed for mining polymetallic nodules at those depths in the central Indian Oceans. The development of ocean climate advisory services also a key component of this mission. The development of component for searching deep sea flora and fauna, including microbes, studying ways to sustainably utilize them. It will also have a component to explore and identify potential source of hydrothermal minerals that are source of precious metal formed from the earth crust along the Indian Ocean mid-oceanic ridge. It has a component for studying and preparing detailed engineering design for offshore ocean thermal energy conversion powered desalination plants. If you see significance of this mission, ocean, which covers 70% of the total globe, remain a key part of our life. About 95% of deep ocean remain unexplored. 3 sides of India are surrounded by oceans and around 30% of country's population living in the coastal areas. The ocean is a major economic factor supporting fisheries and aquaculture, tourism, livelihood and blue trade. The mission will give a boost to effort to explore India's vast exclusive economic zone and continental shelves. The plan will enable India to develop capabilities to exploit resources in the Central Ocean basin. Let's see about polymetallic nodules. So polymetallic nodules, also known as the manganese nodules, are potato-shaped, largely porous nodules found in abundance, carpeting the sea floor of the world ocean in the deep sea. So this look like this potato shape. If you see composition of these nodules, so beside manganese and iron, they contain nickel, copper, cobalt, lead, molybdenum, cadmium, vanadium, titanium, of which nickel and cobalt and copper are considered to be economic and strategic importance. So that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.